Demo project. In this video, I will make a tutorial about creating an Android APK file from Flet with the help of Cordova. So I will install this app file now and see whether it will work or not. And it works now, and we open the application. This application requires quite a long loading, because like you build web from Flutter, it's the same thing. And now it's working fine. I use dark theme on my cell phone, so it looks dark, but it works now. Let's build app. So I've divided each process here from the first to the end. So for the first, we will create a simple Flet application first. And now I will build into web, so there will be dist folder here. And that folder contains HTML and JavaScript files. And my next step will be deploying web to search. So I will make this website online first. And you can rename your URL here, so it will immediately give your web link when it's finished. And here it is working fine. We continue the next process. Now I will create a Cordova project in my work folder. And I need to edit a bit in the index.js file, so that it leads to the web location that I just uploaded earlier. And you need to install library and app browser with Cordova. And you need to install the Android platform with the Cordova platform at Android command. And here I will redirect the fletApkRelease web to my application by turning off the zoom option, and for the others you can follow my code. And the next process is you have to install Android Studio on your computer. And now I will add the SDK for version 30 and above. So you have to install the SDK. If you don't understand, you can follow my method. And you have to install by ticking, which I hover over here. You have to install what I checked here. Otherwise you will get an error, so please install it by ticking this section. The next step is that you have to install Java version 11. Because with versions other than 11, it won't work. And besides that, we will need a grade later for our grade. We will download it on the website. And you can see here my version of Java is version 11, meaning I have installed it. And now I will download the Gradle on the website. I will download the latest version, and after I download it, I will extract it in the opt folder. But it's up to you to extract it in which folder, but for basic, it is adjusted to where you store the Gradle. And now I will add to Boschirk file. So like the Android location, Gradle, Java will be activated there. And now we will activate the Boschirk file. Every time you want to build an app, you have to activate it. And for this process you can do or can be skipped. Because I will debug this application on my Android. And the next process is to build to app release. So we have to make a key store for passwords and other things related to the application. So when we build, we will need it. And here you need to change the alias name, which is up to you. What you want then, the name of the key store file is free. And here we already have the gesture file, and are ready to be processed to build the application. And next is we have to create an build file. So this file contains the location of the cache store password, and others, so the location must be correct, namely the gesture file must be in the correct location. And for admin 12,345, it is the password to the store that I entered before. And now we will build to the AAB file. After that, the AAB file will be automatically generated in the bundle folder based on the key store from the build.sin file. To convert from OB to apps, we need a tool called the bundle tool. For the bundle tool, we download from Google. And I will shorten the name of the bundle tools file with an alias. And I will save the Java jar file in the download folder. And to shorten it so that it is not long when doing conversions, I will shorten it with an alias. And now I'm going to convert to apps. So you adjust it to your key store location. And to get the APK file, you have to rename the APK file to zip, because when extracted from the zip, the app files appear. And up to this process, it is finished for the creation of the app file. But if you want to use only one file or single APK, then you can add universal mode to the process. The previous bundle tool. And the process to get the app file is over here. It means you have successfully created the APK file, and I will install this file on my Android. Okay, I will prepare my Android first. Then I will copy the APK file to my Android, and this time I will install it on my Android. So to start with, you have to delete old debug apps first, because we will install the new application. And I will start installing the application until the application opens. And here, I have successfully installed the application. So for those of you who find it difficult or don't get to this tutorial, please comment. And thank you for watching.